everyone. Welcome to a very special event brought to you by R3. I am Faisal, your host. Today, we are at the Lifestyle Boutique at the Centre of Excellence, and I'm happy to announce we've got some exciting products to share with you. But first, let me introduce the brand to you. Proton R3's story began in 2003. It pioneered and established Proton's name and reputation by competing and of course winning in various motorsport championships for nearly 2 decades. Fast forward to 2021, and we are now looking to continue this journey by adding excitement to R3 products and bring them up to par with other global brands. You will see the first steps in this revolution in a few minutes when we launch our new line of R3 premium engine oil, as well as a variety of amazing new merchandise. But first things first, to kick things off, I would like to invite Encik Roslan Abdullah, CEO of Proton EDA, to welcome everyone and to introduce the next evolution of the Proton R3 brand.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning, everyone. Welcome and thank you for joining us today. I'm Roslan Abdullah, CEO of Proton EDA. Today, I would like to introduce you to PGS or Proton Global Services, a fully owned subsidiary of Proton EDA and a new extension of the Proton brand. From merchandise to lubricants to a diverse range of products and services that reside in the automotive and non-automotive space, PGS will be responsible in making Proton more present in the life of our fans. That begins right now with the R3 brand. Enjoy the show and thank you for being with us today.
Thank you, Encik Roslan, for that wonderful speech. Okay, the first unveiling will be for the R3 Premium Engine Oil. This new product is designed specifically to protect your engine and to amplify your car's performance, and even comes with API SP and API SN Plus ratings. After that, we would like to showcase our brand new R3 branded merchandise, specially curated for R3 fans and Proton customers. So to kick things off, here's a quick presentation about what the R3 Premium Engine Oil is all about and how it can magnify your driving experience. Check it out! Welcome back. Did you enjoy the video? As mentioned, the R3 Premium Engine Oil is formulated exclusively to enhance, empower, and optimize engine performance. This lubricant range is developed from the latest e-Tro Plus base oil from Petronas. Designed with a dynamic cooling coating to fight excessive heat and to regulate temperatures, it helps prevent damage to engine components as well as combats loss of performance. If you are interested to buy a bottle, visit Proton Cars and R3 Motorsports social media pages for more information and to find out where you can purchase your very own R3 Premium Engine Oil. And now, before we move on to the next portion of today's event, I would like to call upon Mr. Li Yit Chuan, CEO of Proton Global Services, to say a few words.
Thank you for the introduction, Faisal. Good morning, my name is YC Lee, CEO of Proton Global Services. As explained earlier, Proton Global Services, or PGS, is tasked with extending the Proton brand so that we can reach out to more of our fans and build an engaging relationship with all of you. As most of you know, the R3 brand is synonymous with motorsport success for Proton. With the launch of our R3 branded merchandise, we bring this winning spirit closer to you via a range of premium apparels offered by our retail partners. Featuring sleek design, I'm confident you will be proud to rock our apparel in any setting. And to prove it, please welcome our catwalk models.
Wow! Thank you to our models for that amazing show. I love the chic design of the apparel, and they can be accessorized to create a relaxed or edgy look. That unfortunately brings us to the conclusion of today's event. Before we go, I would like to remind everyone to check out the Proton Cars and R3 Motorsports social media pages for details on where you can purchase our engine oil and branded merchandise, and to keep an eye open for more exciting launches from R3 in the coming months. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you've enjoyed the show. Stay safe and see you soon.